Hi guys, how you doing? I'm okay. I took a day off of baking and today we are gonna make some crackers. Haha, yeah. But I gotta show you something first outside, okay? Ugh. Yeah, I gotta hold on to the handle of the I have to hold on to this coming in and out of the door because I'm terrified that I'm gonna fall again. But let me get down here. Now, when I was in Tennessee for almost a month, I think, no, I don't know, 3 weeks, I don't know. Anyway, I figured all the plants that I forgot to take with me. God, I'm such a horrible plant mom. Anywho, I just knew they were going to be just twigs sticking out of the dirt, you know. So, but when I got here, I almost broke into tears because this is what I saw. This is my tomato plant, and she's doing so well. I'm just so happy, and I'm thinking, I don't know, but I'm thinking that's my green pepper plant. Now, I can't be sure, and I think that was a weed that I picked that I like the flower, so I stuck the I stuck it in the dirt because I wanted to see. No other seeds worked right now. I even planted some beans in here, and oh, there's a frog. Oh, can anyone tell me if frogs are good for gardens? I don't know. Anywho, look at these little tomatoes. Oh, let's see. I got some flowers here, some there, some here. Pick off some of these dead leaves. But I'm really happy about this. I am. I'm so happy. Oh, there's a bunch of green ones right there. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, what? Yeah. You know, it's not much, but I'm having a ball, you know, and my little plants are doing real well. So anyway, if anyone knows what this is, let me know. I think it's a green pepper plant, or a pepper plant. Smells good. I was picking some of the leaves off yesterday, and I was rubbing it in my fingers, and I smelled it, and oh my God, they smelled so good. So good. Anyway, I'll be right back. Hey guys, how you doing? Okay, part two. Ow! Don't bite. I will plop you in your nose. Go on, get out of here. Oh, one of the dogs just nipped me in the arm because I'm not paying attention to her. Anywho, part two of this video is about what I made the other day, and I'm going to be showing you pictures. The first pictures are of the cheese crackers that I made, and they were so easy to make too. I didn't have a rolling pin. I used a glass, something I've done ever since I was a kid with my mother, you know. She'd have the rolling pin and she'd get down a glass and I would do it with that. And it worked out well. So, hey, Sorry, excuse me. Fight. But anyway, just because you don't have a rolling pin doesn't mean you can't make anything that's flat, you know. Bree, stop it. Bella, calm down. Daddy will be home tomorrow. Then you're in for it. Mm-hmm. Hey girl, my baby. Yes, I love you too, even though you're a pain. Okay, back to business. The first pictures, like I said, was cheese crackers. Now the recipe is on Acre Homestead channel, okay? Yeah, she's pretty cool. You know, she made homemade Oreos. Who knew? But let's see. I didn't have a food processor either. So what I did is, you know those cheese graters that they have in like Olive Garden? They say, "Do you want cheese on your dada?" And they do that roundy thing and grind it up right in front of you. I use one of them. It calls for 8 ounces of sharp cheese. So I just cut it up to fit in that thing and grinded it up. And it was so thin. Oh, I thought, oh my God, it's not going to work without a food processor, right? Well, because I used that teeny tiny little grater, the cheese was so thin, it just blended in really good with the other things. And they turned out good. They turned out good. Not as crispy as I would like, but I think it's because I didn't get the thing thin enough. So we're going to try today with some other kind of crackers to see if I can get them crispy. So the second picture that I'm going to show you is my cookies. Eye itches. Okay, the second the second picture is gonna be. Oh wait, I forgot to do something. Okay. Okay, I'm back. The second picture I'm going to show you is a thing that I call Pina colada cookies, okay? Now, these are made with a cake mix. And I thought I'd heard something about using cake mixes in cookie form instead of having cakes. And I thought, okay, I made enough cupcakes, let me try some cookies. So I went to Carefree Kitchen. Okay, that's the name of the channel. And I made these cookies that are really killer. I mean, they're good. They're good. What I did was they said just take things around your house like M&Ms or whatever. So, excuse me. I had a lot of white chocolate chips, okay? And I think, okay, I'm going to use them. And I had a lot of coconut. So what I did was I toasted the coconut, which is very easy. I had no idea how easy this was. You just put it in a fry pan with no oil, no nothing, and stir it. You know, like put it on medium heat and stir it, and it'll get all brown and tastes good, baby. Tastes good. So I had the pineapple cake mix. I added 2 eggs. The package called for 3, but I added 2 because that's what Carefree Kitchen was doing, okay? So, and then I added the white chocolate chips, and then I added the toasted coconut and did it in a ball and baked it, you know. You'll get the recipe from her. But she did it with her daughter. It was so cute. They made all kind of cool cookies. And mine turned out really good too. So I'm all excited. Okay. Okay, the third picture is I made some s'mores bar cookies. Okay, what I did, I don't have them. I have to get that name for you. There was a channel I saw, but I couldn't follow it because I didn't have all the ingredients. So I thought I wanted to use what I had here. And so the basics of it are you line the cookie sheet with parchment paper, right? Then you line the sheet with graham cracker squares. Line it all up. Then you mix the ingredients. Pat that on the squares. It's sticky, so you got to kind of wet your hands and kind of do it that way. You know, that trick, either you wet your hands with water or butter. That way your hands slide across the stuff easier. Okay, it doesn't stick to it. So, and then you're supposed to bake it for so long, and then you're supposed to take it out, add some more marshmallows and Hershey's chocolate and more crunched up graham crackers. Well, I didn't have any Hershey chocolate bars, so I used the semi-sweet milk chocolate. They turned out wonderful. They did. So, show you that picture. So, hold on.